my vision is, there are several visions which I had, but then the most important in the social vision category was the my wanting to give to the society. I wish to give back to the society whatever I have learned all these years and my experience and my learnings. So with that, I have created this vision board where I wish to say that I would like to go to a village, set up a solar plant at my home, and then use the solar energy for farming and giving it to the villagers the knowledge that they can use solar energy for enhancing their skills of farming. So first would be like you setting up a solar plant on the rooftop of the house where I will be staying. No, I have already spoken to Vinay. He will get the house created for me. So on the top of that roof, we will put the solar system so that the solar energy can be tapped and put into use. I will also be sharing my house with my relatives and friends who are in the city. And anytime they come to the village, and I will be inviting them to the village so that they come and stay with me and have a feel of the rural living. My aim uh, is that when I am staying with my parents and my mother-in-law, I want that we should be eating fresh. So this is one of my most important requirement, that we should be getting fresh food. Uh, it could be fruits and vegetables fresh from the farm, and we could eat them. The food, whatever is grown, is without pesticides, insecticides, and it should be organic. Now, the produce, whatever we get from the farm, we will ship it to the nearest market where we can sell it off. And apart from that, extra which is generated like lemons, ginger, etc., we can use them to create pickle in the factory itself, in the local village itself, using the power supply from the solar system. We will have some electric vehicles for shipping the material from the village to the nearest market. Now, for all this living, we need a water body, and I understand there will be a water body or a river nearby. So we got to develop that water body so that it gives us a sustainable living. Now, I will also buy a small scooter, electric scooter again, for local visit within the town, within this village, or maybe little outside the village. And I also propose that we'll put some tilling equipment along with it, kind of making it a small tractor, so that very small fields can be tilled with this. So scooter come with a dicky or something where you, or sorry, an attachment where the tilling also can be done. Now, for all this vision, money is required, which I am planning to make a corpus in next 24 months so that I can move. This all plan is also, in line with the government's requirement of sustainable endeavors towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now, as you know, 60%, 70% of the population still lives in villages. So it is very important that the focus should now be on the village. The new policies which have just come in by the government, the focus is on the villagers, because something which has really moved us in the past is too many of suicides by the villagers. Now, the person who has been feeding us all these years, if he commits a suicide, this is something very alarming and which is to be looked into. So, with that feeling, I want that we should be spending more and more time on the village. I would like to thank Times of India, the Mint newspaper, and the Week magazine for giving me all these clippings which could help me in making the board. My time is over, so I would like to thank everybody for the patient hearing. Thank you so much.
Great.
Good presentation.
Excellent, excellent.